If you set your washing machine to a hot water program and it doesn't heat the water, you most likely have a problem with the heater. In this video, I will show you how to check the heater in your washing machine and how to replace it with a new one. First, you need to open the back cover. Now you can easy to reach the heater. Detach all cables, and if you have multimeter, check the heater. The two large pins on the left and right are the heater connectors. Measure them with the multimeter. If the heater is working well in signal mode, it should make a sound. I will make a parallel comparison of the measurements on a working heater. Replace with new one heater. Remove the NTC sensor. It is clearly visible that the heater is defective. All done.